guys, it actually works. It's super insane, guys, and it is totally working. Hi there, my barn swallows. Today I'm going to show you how to get a weed ink hack for iOS and Android. So as you can see, I'm low on money, but we press the button, we can get free gems. So I'm going to turn that on and let's see if the gems go up. So as you can see, these are the values right now, really bad. But let's see if it increases, guys, and then we're going to be good to go. So let's see what happens. Alright, no change yet. But yeah, there it goes. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this. It works on iOS and Android. So if you guys are broke, you got to try this. Alright, so the first thing is go to settings and turn off low power mode. And then go to matrixmods.com, find it, press download, and the next step is the verification, okay? So this is where we have to download 2 apps and follow the instructions. It's 100% for free from the official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load. So as you can see, it says missing files. So you just want to download some of these apps. So like Underdog says down and run for 30 seconds. So I could do that. Mazda, DraftKings Casino. This one you guys search something up. So just make sure you download 2 of them. And then also if you press help, you can watch a video. So that's how to get the weed ink hack for your device. It's super amazing, guys, and it actually works. So as you can see, we have all the settings in here. We've also got combat tools, defense tools, mobility tools. So there's quite a few features. So I think that's pretty cool. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but that's how to get a weed ink hack for your device. Super awesome, guys, and it's updated and everything. So you guys will enjoy it. So that is really cool. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you guys want to get this onto your device. So yeah, it's super cool. So definitely go ahead and try it out. I mean, this actually works. And yeah, this is crazy. So I hope you guys enjoyed it.